Okay, I'm going to talk about graphing system of linear equations first, and then we'll talk about graphing inequalities next. Okay. Now, I'm pretty sure that they tried to explain to you that you need to put everything in this form. This is the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And if you graph by hand, yes, you have to do it this way. I taught it this way. If you use a graphing calculator, which I've loaned mine out, it looks something like this. This one is an HP. It's about 1 million years old. But anyway, they're usually about $150, $200. And if you really want to get one, you can. But a lot of times you'll have to put the equation in this order as well. If you use Mathway graphing calculator on the computer, I'm sure you can download an app on the phone. I don't know. I'm a little bit older than these apps. I have apps. Don't get me wrong, but I'm not a big app person. Then I'm sure you can do that, but I mean, I'm not sure, but I bet you can. But I looked on my computer, and I've done it before when I'm helping other students, is I've used the Mathway graphing calculator. The cool thing about the Mathway graphing calculator is you can type things in exactly how it is, which saves a ton of time, and we can just get her done, and that's what it's all about, right? So what I'm going to do is show you right here. Hopefully I can do this. It'll be a little fuzzy muzzy, whatever, because it's on the computer. I don't know if that helps. Okay, so this is mathway.com, the graph, okay, and it pops up just like this, okay? So right here under enter a problem, if you'll just type in this first equation, which was negative 2x, so we'll just type in negative 2x plus y equals 2. Just type in exactly how it is. All right, it graphs it. Boom, there's the graph. Okay, so since this is a system of equations, I'm going to enter the other problem. So I'm going to click in here and write the other one, which is y equals 4x plus 6. Okay, boom, graphs it right there. Okay, there's probably a way on here to figure, to actually find the intersection. You can zoom in on it. There's all kinds of stuff. I'd play around with it, but this one's pretty straightforward. You can see where they cross, and that's what you're looking for. The solution of a system of linear equations is where they cross, their intersection. So if they don't ever cross, there's no solution. Okay, well right here, this is pretty straightforward. It's right here at negative 2, negative 2. The x coordinate is negative 2. All right, the x's go this way. These are the x's, and the y's are these numbers up and down, y. Okay, so the x is negative 2 and the y is negative 2. And so as an ordered pair, okay, because your solutions are in ordered pair term, the ordered pair is alphabetical. It's always x, y. So you would put in well, in this case, they're both the same number, so it wouldn't matter. But just the principle of the matter, negative 2, negative 2. Okay? That's the quick and dirty way of doing linear equations. So again, mathway.com. You can just type her in and click on there. And even if it's not at a nice, neat point, you can sit there and keep zooming it out, and it'll get smaller and smaller, and it'll help you. Or you can guesstimate, whatever. But this one was nice. Okay, so graphing systems of linear equations.